Osaka Station, one of the Osaka stations. They're what I call train stations. We have to take subways. Stops to go, and then I think we change again. We're in rush hour. Stops on this train. We must be at the port. So far it's been one train. This is our third subway. And this should be it.
Heavy rain. I think we did well to get the writing in.
In your room, or there is an area you can eat what you brought.
A nice big ferry. Lately with all the ferry accidents, I'm a little leery of ferries. It's called Cosmo Ferry Terminal. This is where we're going to Beppu. For car, motorcycle, motorcycle. And this is the room. Prices deluxe, first, standard, tourist bed, etc. We leave at 7:05, arrive at 6:55 in the morning. And I'm going to assume this is what the different classes of rooms look like.